Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to start with a new chapter, that is chapter number 16, Surface Area and Volume. In this chapter, we are going to learn so many formula that is based on cylinder, curve, total surface, that all things are based on this chapter. So first of all, we will see that a cuboid, cube, cylinder, etc. These all are the three-dimensional solid figure. This solid figure occupies some space. Now, this solid figure that occupies some space, the measure of the space occupied, the measure of the space which that occupies by a solid is called the volume of the solid. Now, what is volume of a solid? Volume of a solid is what? The measure of the space that occupied by a solid, that is called as volume of the solid. Now you can see over the figure, this is a figure of a cuboid. See, the length is given, breadth is given, and height. So here length is given, breadth is given, and height is given. See, one length is how much? 6 centimeter. Height is 5 centimeter. Sorry, height is 3 centimeter and breadth is 5 centimeter. So here we are going to use the formula, that is formula of a cuboid. Now, what is the formula of a cuboid? Cuboid equal to length into breadth into height. Now the formula for volume of a cuboid, you have to learn all the formula. The volume of a cuboid equal to length into breadth into height. Next, we are going to start with practice set 16.1. In that first question, see what is given in the question. Find the volume of a box if it length, breadth and height. See, length is also given, breadth is also given and height is also given. So, length, breadth and height are 20 centimeter, 10.5 centimeter and 8 centimeter respectively. Now what you have to find? You have to find the volume of a box. Box means it is in the shape of cuboid only. So volume of a box, or else you can write volume of a cuboid. That is one another same. So you will write what is given first and then what you are going to find out. So how is what is given here? First, you will write what is given for cuboid shape, what is given, box is given, length is given 20 centimeter, breadth is given 10.5 centimeter, height is given 8 centimeter. Now, what you have to find out? You have to find out a volume of a box. Now, we will start with the solution. So, here volume of a box, that is same volume of a cuboid only, that is length into breadth into height. Now length is how much? 20 multiply by 10.5 multiply by 8. That if we multiply 20 by 10.5 multiply by 8, we are getting answer as 1618 cubic centimeter. The cc means, see, we are going to use the form, we are going to use the standard unit, that is cubic centimeter or cc, because we are going to find the volume of a cuboid and it is always measured in the cubic centimeter. So the last answer, that for the volume of a box is 1618 centimeter. Meter. So it is very easy. You have to use the formula of volume of a cuboid. Volume of a cuboid is length into breadth into height. So it is length is what given. You have to write the value of that length, breadth and height. And after multiplying, you will get the answer, that is 1680 cubic centimeter. Okay. The next question is, a cuboid shaped soap bar has volume 1.50 cubic centimeter. Find the thickness if the length is 10 centimeter and breadth is 5 centimeter. See, in the question, volume is given, length is given and breadth is given. What you have to find? You have to find the height. See, in our first question, all length, breadth and height was given. But in second question, volume is given, length is given and breadth is given. So what you have to find out? You have to find out the height of the cuboid. Now you can see over here. Okay. Now what is given for cuboid shape soap bar? Now here length is 10 centimeter, breadth is that is 5 centimeter, volume is 1.50 150 cubic centimeter, sorry, 150 cubic centimeter. Now what you have to find out? You have to find out the thickness of the soap bar, that is our height. So here first we will write the formula, same, volume of a soap bar equal to length into breadth into height. Now here volume is given, so in front of volume of a soap bar you will write the value, that is 150 equal to length is 10 multiply by breadth is 5 multiply by height, that is h only. So next 150 we will take here equal to 10 5 is 50. So here 50 h will remain. Now therefore 150, see 150 we will take there only. Then this 50 it is multiplication. If it is go that side it become division. So here will be 50. What is remaining? Only h will remain. See here 0 0 we will cut. 5 ones are 5. 5 threes are 15. So what is the height we got? Height is how much? Height is 3 centimeter. So the last statement must be the thickness of the soap bar is 3 centimeter. The thickness of the soap bar is 3 centimeter. See, sometimes thick breadth is given, or you breadth and length is given, height you have to find out, or sometimes height and length is given, breadth you have to find out. So whatever questions they ask, as per their information, you have to write the values, but the formula doesn't change. The formula remain as it is. So here we have completed our first exercise, that is 16.1. Other two sums will be coming homework for the school from School Magica app. Okay, now we are going to learn the surface area of cylinder formula. In that there are two formula. First, it is curved surface area of a cylinder, and then it is total surface area of cylinder. First, it is curved surface area of cylinder, that is 2 pi RH. What is the formula of curved surface area of a cylinder? 2 pi RH. And what is the formula of total surface area of a cylinder? That is 2 pi r bracket h plus r or r plus h. It is one another same, h plus r or r plus h bracket close. See, once again I am telling you the formula. The first, in this surface area of cylinder there are two formula, that is you have to find out curved surface area of a cylinder, that is 2 pi RH. 2 pi, you know very well, pi is always 22 upon 7 or 3.14. See, this pi doesn't change, it is fixed, that is 22 upon 7 or 3.14. R stand for radius and H stand for height. So the formula for curved surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi r h, and the formula for total surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi r bracket r plus h bracket close. And this pi doesn't change in any formula. Pi will remain as it is, that is 22 upon 7 or 3.14. See, sometimes what happened in question only, they are asking you have to use pi, that is 22 upon 7 or 3.14. So at that time you have to use whatever given in the question. If nothing pi is given, that time you can use anyone, that is 22 upon 7 or 3.14. But if it is mentioned in the question, so that number pi only you have to use it. Okay. Now we will start with our practice set 16.2. Now practice set 16.2, question number 1. In each of the example given below, radius of base of a cylinder and its height are given. Now here radius is given and height is given. What you have to find out? You have to find out its curved surface area and total surface area. See, both you have to find out. You have to find out curved surface area also and total surface area. Now what is given here? Here is given radius, that is 7 centimeter, and height, that is 10 centimeter. So first what you are going to find out? You are going to write the first formula, that is curved surface area of a cylinder. The curved surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi r h. Now same 2 as it is 2 pi, we have used 22 upon 7, because here in this question pi is not mentioned. Here in this question pi is not mentioned. So I have written 22 upon 7 multiply by r, that is 7, multiply by h, that is 10. See here we have done the cutting. See, 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7. So what will remain? 2 into 22 into 7 tens is 70. So here okay. 7, 7, it has been cutted down. So what is remaining? 2 into 2 into 10. Only 2 into 22 into 10 is remaining. If we multiply 2 into 22 into 10, what we are getting? We are getting answer as 440 centimeter square. Now here it is not volume given, so that time we have to use square, so that is centimeter square. Now as we got curved surface area, we have to use the formula of total surface area. Now total surface area is 2 pi r bracket r plus h. Now same here, 2 as it is, multiply by 22 upon 7 into r, r is 7, bracket h plus r, that is 7, 10 plus 7. So here will be 2 into 22 upon 7 into 7. Now 10 plus 7, what we are getting? First we will solve the bracket and then afterward the cutting part. So 2 into 22 upon 7 into 7 into 10 plus 7 will become 17. Now 2 into 22 upon 7 into 7 into 10. Now here we will do the cutting. 22 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7. So what is remaining? 2 into 22. Now 2 into 22 is how much? Very good, 14. And here is 17. By mistakenly I have written 10. Now 44 you got. Now 44 you have to multiply with 17. Now 44 multiply by 17. What you are getting? 44 multiplied by 70. Very good, Vedant. You are getting the same answer which I got. That is 748 square centimeter. 748 square centimeter. See, don't get confused regarding the formula. See here, cylinder is given. So that time you have to use the formula. See, cylinder is also given and they ask about the total surface area and curved surface area. So that time you have to use the formula of cylinder, that is curved surface area, and total surface area of a cylinder, that is 2 pi RH or 2 pi RH or 2 pi R bracket R plus H. And then you have to put all the values and you have to find the answers of that formula. So I hope you people have understood, and there will be last statement. What is given? The total surface of the cylinder is 440 square centimeter. The curved surface area of the cylinder is 440 square centimeter and the total surface area of a cylinder is 748 square centimeter. Now sum number third. R is 2.5 centimeter and H is 7 centimeter. Formula will be same. First we have to find out curved surface area of the cylinder, that is 2 pi RH. Now here 2 into 22 upon 7 is our pi, into R is 2.5, into H is 7. So we have written 2 into 22 upon 7 into 2.5 into 7. Now here we will cut 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7. So what will remain? 2 into 22 into 2.5. Now you have to multiply 2 into 22. 2 into 22 becoming 44. Now 44 should multiply by 2.5. Now if I multiply by 2.5, what we are getting? We are getting answer as 110 square centimeter. Now same we have to write the formula of total surface area of the cylinder. Now total surface area of the cylinder is how much? 2 pi r bracket H plus R. Same 2 into pi is 22 upon 7 into R is 2.5 bracket 7 plus 2.5, that is height plus radius. Now we will solve the bracket first. So 2 into 22 upon 7 will remain as it is into 2.5. Now 7 plus 2.5. So it will become 9.5. Now here first what we will do, we will multiply all the upper number because there is no cutting part, and then we will divide that by 7. See, because in 7 table 25 is not coming, and if I take 95, see 7 ones are 7, 8 9 2 25 will come.